Chapter 7. Fractions. Get ready. We have learned the method of dividing a number by one-digit number in the previous chapter. A fraction is a number that stands for parts of a region or a collection. This method also helps us to share a given number of objects equally. Webhav wants only half a chapati. You have left quarter of a glass of milk. Mayank has finished reading 3/4 of the book. You often hear words like half, quarter and 3/4. All these words show that they are a part of something. The boy wants only half of the whole chapati. The lady says that quarter of the whole glass of milk is left. The boy has read 3/4 of the whole book. When we talk about parts of the whole, we are actually using fractions. A whole can either be a region or a collection. It is a region when the whole object is one. This is a whole cake. We can cut it and take a part of it. It is a collection when there is a group of objects. This is a whole collection of pencils. We can take a part of it by taking 2 pencils. Fractions of a region. Halves. Vinay gave his brother Webhav some part of his chocolate bar. Did Webhav get half of the chocolate? No, because we call one of 2 equal parts half. Equal means that both the parts are of the same size. This shape has 2 equal parts. This shape has 2 parts that are not equal. 2 parts of the same size. We call the equal parts halves. One of the 2 parts is yellow. We say, is 1/2 yellow. We write, 1/2 is yellow. Thirds. 3 men were painting a wall. They shared the work as shown. Did each do the same amount of work? No, because the wall was not put into 3 equal parts. 3 parts of the same size. We call the equal parts thirds. One of the 3 parts is red. We say, 1/3 is red. We write, 1/3 is red. 2 of the 3 parts are blue. We say, 2/3 is blue. We write, 2/3 is blue. Fourths. 4 hungry friends shared a pizza like this. Were they all happy? No. The shares were not fair because they were not equal. 4 parts of the same size. We call the equal parts fourths. One of the 4 parts is pink. We say, 1/4 is pink. We write, 1/4 is pink. 2 of the 4 parts are green. We say, 2/4 is green. We write, 2/4 is green. 3 of the 4 parts are orange. We say, 3/4 is orange. We write, 3/4 is orange. Tricky maths. 1. Color 1/4. 2. Color. A. 1/3. B. Half. Keep in mind, 2 halves makes a whole. 3/3 make a whole. 4/4 make a whole. We write fractions by looking at the number of equal parts and the number or parts we are referring to. 3/4 equals number of blue parts divided by total number of equal parts. 1/2 equals blue parts divided by equal parts in all. Fraction of a collection. Fraction can also be used to name parts of a group or a collection. Look at the collection of diamonds. It has 5 equal diamonds. 2 of them are shaded. The shaded part of the collection represents 2/5 of the whole collection. Now, look at the collection of dolls. 3 dolls are separated by drawing a line. The separated dolls on the left represent the fraction 3/7. To find half of a collection. Example, Geeta has 8 erasers. She wants to give half of them to her friend. How many should she give to her friend? Solution. Geeta has to give 1 out of 2 equal parts to her friend. To put the collection in 2 equal parts, divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Geeta has to give 1 part, 4 erasers, to her friend. To find 1/3 of a collection. 1/3 is 1 part out of 3 equal parts. To put a collection in 3 equal parts, divide by 3. To find 1/3, keep 1 part. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 1/3 of 9 is 3. To find 1/4 of a collection. 1/4 is 1 part out of 4 equal parts. To put a collection in 4 equal parts, divide by 4. To find 1/4, keep 1 part. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 1/4 of 8 is 2. Tricky maths. 1. 1/2 is written as 2. 1/3 is written as 3. 1/4 is written as 4. How many fourths are there in a whole? 5. How many halves are there in a whole? 6. How many thirds are there in a whole? Numerator and denominator of fractional number. Look at the figure. So, fraction for the unshaded part equals 1/4. 1/4 is read as 1 by 4 or 1 upon 4. 1 by 4, number of unshaded parts divided by total number of equal parts. The top number says, how many equal parts are unshaded? The bottom number says, in how many equal parts is a figure or any collection divided? 1 by 4, 1 numerator, 4 denominator. 2 by 4, unshaded parts divided by total number of equal parts. 3 by 4, unshaded parts divided by total number of equal parts. 0 by 4, 4 by 4. Keep in mind, there can be no fraction with 0 as the denominator. When the numerator and denominator are the same, it is a whole or 1. For example, 2 by 2 equals 1, 3 by 3 equals 1, etc.